to Home Decor by Mahanur. Today in this video we will talk about macrame feather, wall hanging and home decoration ideas which you can use for your home decoration. Macrame feathers are a trendy way to spruce up any macrame project. They can be used as a beautiful boho accent in the macrame jewelry, keychains, wall hangings, home decor and even macrame furniture. Plus, a DIY macrame feeder is a great way to use up scrap cord. I hope this video will show you easy ways to make beautiful macrame feathers with design ideas. And as added bonus, I have included a link to get free set of printable templates. You can use them to perfectly cut your feathers the easy way. Macrame feathers are one of my favorite ways to use up leftover cord when you make a wall hanging, plant hanger, or anything else. You will inevitably end up with some outcuts. Because of that, you will likely end up with a bunch of different pieces of the rope that you need to use up. Luckily, you can make feathers with any cord you want. You can even mix different colors and texture to get a different look. For instance, use some pieces of single twist string mixed with 3-strand rope. As long as the pieces of the cord you are using are about the same diameter, mixing them up is the best way to change up your feathers. The cord using for macrame feathers is 4 mm single strand cotton string. It works really well because it brushes out into beautiful straight fringe and holds its shape well. If you use 3-strand twisted macrame rope, you can brush it out and makes a wavy fringe that really looks good.